Hello everyone, this is Team Threshold. We are proposing an idea for problem statement KVH003, Kavach 2023, Advanced Fake News Detection System. Let me introduce the problem statement in our perspective. Fake news is a major concern in today's world as it can create chaos, erode trust, and even incite violence. It can be spread deliberately or inadvertently and is often motivated by political agendas, common economic interests, or personal biases. To combat this, it is essential to promote critical thinking, fact checking, and rely on credible sources. To solve such a problem, we have come up with a solution which comprises of three phases. Let me introduce you to the first phase. In first phase, we will be scraping data from social media channels including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, blogs, wikis, and news sites, which we will be doing using a web scraper. The data can be exported in various formats such as Excel, JSON, HTML, or to databases. The data extracted provides the largest and most dynamic dataset available about human behavior. In the next phase, we plan to leverage this data by continuously running scrapers using microservices to collect data consistently over time. Let me introduce you to phase 2. To detect fake news, we utilize large language models and LLM frameworks such as LangChain. We train these models on news data to teach them to identify linguistic patterns that distinguish factual news and from fake news. Once trained, the model can analyze news articles or flag instances of potential fake news by comparing the linguistic patterns of the article against those learned during training. This approach is particularly effective when used alongside fact checking and human review techniques to ensure accurate detection of fake news. Additionally, we offer a chat interface for our users to interact and inquire about authenticity of news articles. Now let's come to phase 3. Our front-end application will showcase analytic data on identified fake news and provide user-friendly interface for users to verify the authenticity of the articles. The intuitive interface allows user to enter the headline of an article and receive an immediate response on whether it is real or fake. The data including the sources, frequency, and characteristics of identified fake news will be presented in an easily understandable format such as graphs or chart or a table in a separate dashboard to the admin. Moreover, a chat interface will enable user to interact with the bot asking questions about the news articles. This helps user to make informed decision and combat spread of misinformation. We will be using this above infrastructure to make our solution possible. Now let's see what technologies we'll be using. The tech stack used for our front end would be Webpack, Next.js, and Tailwind CSS. And for our backend, we'd be using Redis, Celery, FastAPI, and RabbitMQ. As for the database, we'll be going with MongoDB, and we'll be containerizing the whole application using Docker. As for the machine learning side of things, we'll be using LangChain LLM framework for large language model, and also we'll be using GPT-3 and OpenCV to convert image to text. We'll be using Python to make this happen. We hope you like our proposal. This is Vinay signing off. Thank you.